Now to our court, the Babita Deokaran murder case has been postponed to the 6th of October. The defense legal team apparently hasn't been paid. 6 men are accused of killing Deokaran. She was investigating corruption in Gauteng's health department. ENCA's Heidi Jokos has been following that case and joins us to give us the latest. Heidi, so court proceedings were very brief, and this relates to non-payment of counsel for the defense. Just talk to us about this.
Yes, so there has been a postponement in the Babita Deokaran matter till the 6th of October, and the reason for this is because the defence wants to sort out some logistical issues, one pertaining to payment of counsel. When a matter heads to trial, there needs to be a certain amount that is paid to the defence and the legal team to make sure that they will be able to continue with trial, as they do not want to find themselves in a situation where they have not been paid and they are midway trial and then need to withdraw from the matter. That's just going to cause a further logistical nightmare. So the defence wants to make sure that all payment is up to date before they head to trial. There is also an issue of a forensic report that is currently outstanding that the defence team wishes to have before the matter goes to trial. So on this basis, we do understand that the matter has been postponed to the 6th of October. There was an assumption that there would be a postponement, but not necessarily for another pre-trial date, but rather for a trial date to be set. Unfortunately, this was not the case. The 6 remain in custody. Of course, they were here present in court today, and they will remain in custody until so. Their bail was denied, if I'm not mistaken, last year sometime. So this is what's happened in court's very short appearance, not longer than 5 minutes in Fundo.
Heidi, were there any family members that were perhaps in attendance today?
There were no family members from Babita Deokaran's family. They did indicate to ENCA yesterday that they will be in attendance, but they were worried that because of the national shutdown that this matter would not continue or sit today, but they also were under the impression that it was going to be very brief, and they basically told us that they do not want to sit in a courtroom where the 6 accused of killing Babita Deokaran are present, and they would rather not subject themselves to those kinds of emotions. What's interesting, though, is that some family members of the 6 accused were in court today. This is something that we have seen time and time again, where the family of the 6 accused, mostly women, actually, are in court, showing their support and actually just following court proceedings. They do not really engage with the media, so we obviously couldn't get a chance to speak to them, but they were here today. The courtroom, about 2 benches or so, were full of family members of the 6 accused.
All right, Heidi, we'll leave it there for now. Thank you very much for that update. That's reporter Heidi Jokos. More news on the other side. Do stay tuned.